Good morning, students. Chapter Trigonometry. Next topic is complementary angles. Complementary angles. Right. What is the meaning of the concept of complementary angles? Write this. Sine 90 minus A is cosine. Right. Sine 90 minus A is cosine. Cos 90 minus A is sine A. Sine 90 minus A is cosine. Cos 90 minus A is sine A. Next. Sec 90 minus A is cosec A. And cosec 90 minus A is sec A. Then last one. Tan 90 minus A is cot A. And cot 90 minus A is tan A. They are complementary angles. Sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. What is the meaning complementary? Sum of the angles is equal to 90 degree. That is the meaning complementary angles. Isn't it? Therefore, here complementary angle means, one more time. Repeat. Sine 90 minus A is cos A. Cos 90 minus A is sine A. Sec 90 minus A is cosec A. Cosec 90 minus A is sec A. Then tan 90 minus A is cot A. Cot 90 minus A is tan A. Understand? Then can you say what is sine 90 minus 30? Can you say what is sine 90 minus 30 according to this formula? That is cos 30. Isn't it? Sine 90 minus 30 is according to these complementary angles, that is cos 30. Sine changes to cos, cos to sine. Sec to cosec, cosec to sec. Tan to cot, cot to tan. Therefore, we can prove the result. What is sine 90 minus 30? Actually, sine 60. Isn't it? What is the value? Sine 60? Root 3 by 2. Then take the RHS. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Therefore, sine 90 minus 30 is same as cos 30. Okay, write the questions. Right, the first question. Cos, right. Question number 1. Cos 22 by sine 68. Question is evaluate or find the value of. Look here. Here what is the numerator? Cos 22. What is the denominator? Sine 68. We can change any one of these. Understand? If you change the numerator, change the numerator only. And if you want to change the denominator, change the denominator only. Now, I am going to change the numerator. We can write this numerator as cos. Here the question is cos 90 minus 68 is 22. Agree? Cos 22 means we can write cos 90 minus 68. The denominator angle is 68. By no change in the denominator. That is sine 68. Then can you say what is cos 90 minus A? Sine A. Sine 68 by sine 68. Cancelling, you will get the answer 1. Then second problem, write tan 47 by cot 43. Change the numerator. Tan. How can you write 47? 90 minus which angle gives 47? Check 90 minus which angle? 90 minus 43. Isn't it? By cot 43. Then what is tan 90 minus A? That is cot A. Cot 43 by cot 43. Cancelling you will get 1. Copy this. Seek 75 by third question. Seek 75 by cosec 50. Seek itself. Seek 90 minus which angle gives 75? 90 minus 15. There is a relation between these two. Therefore, look at the denominator also. Seek 75 we can write 90 minus 15 by cosec 50. Now this sec changes to, say the answer, cosec 15 by cosec 15. Cancelling you will get 1. Understand? Now next question write. Cos 55 by sin 35 plus cot 35 by tan 55. Change any one of these fractions. Only not change both. Change any one of these. Therefore, we usually change the numerator. Cos. How can you write 55? 90 minus 35. 90 plus 35, 35 plus 55 gives 90. Therefore, 55 we can write 90 minus 35 by sin 35 plus cot 90 minus 55 by tan 55. Agree? Cos changes to sin 35 by sin 35 plus cot changes to tan 55 by tan 55. Sin cancel, you will get 1 plus tan can cancel 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Right. Next question. Sin square 40 minus cos square 50. All the questions evaluate. Change this sin square 40. How can you write sin square 40? We can write 90 minus 50. Agree? Minus no change in the second term. Cos square 50 itself. Sin square changes to cos square 50 minus cos square 50. What is A minus A? 0. Next one. Sin 15 into cos 15 minus cos 75 into sin 75. Change the first two. Sin 75 we can write sin 90 minus 15. 15 we can write 90 minus 75. Into this cos 15 we can write cos 90 minus 75. Okay. Minus cos 75 sin 75. Sin 90 minus 75 is cos 75 into cos 90 minus 75 is sin 75 minus cos 75 into sin 75. Understand? Cos 75 sin 75 minus cos 75 sin 75 means 0. Next question. Cot 54 by tan 36 plus tan 20 by cot 70. minus 2. Right, cot 90 minus 54 is 90 minus 36. Look at the denominator, 90 minus 36 by tan 36. Plus tan 20 is tan 90 minus 70 by cot 70 minus 2. Okay. Cot changes to tan 36 by tan 36 plus cot 70 by cot 70 minus 2. Cancelling, you will get 1. Cancelling also 1 minus 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Understand? Right, one more question. 2 tan 53 by cot 37 minus cot 80 by tan 10. 2 tan 53 we can write 90 minus 37 by cot 37 minus cot 80 we can write cot 90 minus 10 by tan 10. Now 2 into tan changes to cot 37 by cot 37 minus cot changes to tan 10 by tan 10. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, do it.